Glowing in the dark of night, stalking shadows just out of sight. Whiskers twitching, ready to pounce. Silent footsteps, no need to announce. Moonlight dances on velvet fur, purring softly with every stir. A nimble acrobat on midnight prowl, chasing dreams beneath the owl's howl. Meow, meow, in the midnight glow, through alleyways where secrets flow. Meow, meow, on the ground so slide, underneath the starry sky. Feline grace with a regal air, leaping high without a care. Softly stepping in the quiet hush, through the city's midnight rush.